All right, so standard two is all about two-way tables. So two-way tables are a way for us to summarize two different variables that are talking about the same subset of individuals. So we want students to be able to read and summarize categorical data using these two-way tables, as well as calculate probabilities such as joint, marginal, and conditional probabilities. So here's an example of standard two. Use the two-way table to answer the following questions. And when you do so, you want to make sure that you use proper notation and round to 3 decimal places. So go ahead, pause the video, give these questions a try, and when you're ready, we'll go over the answers. So what proportion of all people have blue eyes? So this is saying the probability that somebody has blue eyes, so there's my notation, is 12 out of 62 because there are 62 total individuals in the table, and out of all 62 of them, 12 of them have blue eyes. So 12 out of 62 rounds to 0.194. What proportion of blue-eyed people are wearing yellow? So this is where it gets a little bit more complicated. This says what proportion of blue-eyed people, which means that we are only looking at the row that says blue-eyed people, right? We're only looking at the 10, the 2, and the 12 to get our answers here. If we're only looking at those blue-eyed people, the question is, how many of them or what proportion of them are wearing yellow? So our notation is, what is the proportion of people who are wearing yellow given the fact that they are or they have blue eyes? So that vertical line just means that we're given a certain part of our population of interest. So proportion of people wearing yellow given the fact that they have blue eyes. Well, if you're looking just at that row, it's out of 12, and 10 of them are wearing yellow. So 10 out of 12, which rounds to 0.833. And finally, what proportion of all people are wearing yellow and have blue eyes? So our notation, proportion of people wearing yellow and they have blue eyes. So we just can use the word and there. You can also use the intersection symbol if you know that. And because this is talking about out of everybody, the denominator is 62. And out of everybody in the table, you're looking for where the blue-eyed row meets the yellow column. So that is just those 10 individuals who are both wearing yellow and they have blue eyes. And that is sample standard 2.